How to pixelate a part of photo in Picsart. Need to hide or censor something in your image? Here's how to pixelate it in Picsart. First, open your photo and select the Tools menu. Choose Pixelate, then drag your cursor over the area you want to obscure. Adjust the pixel size to make the area more or less blurred. You can also resize the selection to cover only what's necessary. Once satisfied, click Apply and save your edited photo. Do you use pixelation for faces or sensitive info? Tell us in the comments below. Combine pixelation with opacity adjustment for a subtle yet effective effect. And that's how you can pixelate part of photo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.